the world blurs by me fast, still real, singing songs of the future and the past. Windows down, feel the rush, it's a thrilling vibe. Keller's on a journey, man, living for the ride. Through every station, every
waking up to the sound of the waves, bright hues painting in skies. Life feels like a rave. Countless memories dancing in the morning light. Carnival Jubilee, everything feels just right. Sunshine and laughter fill the air. Every sunrise a chance to rejoice. In this carnival breeze we find our voice. Keller's real travels, they never end. Chasing the daylight with every friend. Echoes of joy from the rides in the breeze. Families gathered, just feeling at ease. Sipping on something cool as the day unfolds. These precious moments worth more than gold. Carnival calls. Every sunrise a chance to rejoice. In this carnival breeze we find our voice. Keller's real travels, they never end. Chasing the daylight with every friend. So here's to the journeys under the sun.
I made it to Paradise Beach. Let's check it out. Today's a great day for a journey.
We're sailing away to Cozumel. The sun's shining bright, can you feel the swell? Heading straight to paradise, that's the plan. With sand between my toes, I'm a happy man. This is the life, can't you see? Living my dream, just you and me. Cozumel, take me away. Under the sun, we'll laugh and play. Sipping drinks by the shoreline. In paradise, everything's fine. The waves are calling, let's dive right in. With a drink in our hands, let the fun begin. Taste of the beach with food on the grill. Every moment a treasure, a thrill to fulfill. So take my hand, let's run free. In paradise.
Please help Keller's Real Travels out by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that notification bell button.
Beating down on my skin, burning my feet on the Lido deck. Sipping on drinks, feeling so blessed. Dolphins dive close, haven't got me. Oh, the ocean whispers my name as the tide begins to change. Cause I can't swim, I can't snorkel. Only thing about me is the way I cruise. I can dream, but I can't sing. Just standing here, sailing on the ship on the lonely dick interlude. can't swim, but I soak in the view. Blue jeans on the beach, just me and the crew. Waves crashing softly, calling me near, but I can't dive in. Stuck in this sand, yeah. The sun sets low, and the night starts to glow. As I can't swim, I can't slow it go. Only, yeah, we cruising down the coast, feeling that breeze. Keller's got the crew, we gon' do as we please. Ports in Cozumel, sun kissing our skin. Heading to Paradise Beach, let the good times begin. Come on and vibe with me. Everybody's on board, sipping on some drinks. Life is never a chore. Cozumel vibes, we living it right under the sun. Everything feels so bright. Drinks in our hands, dancing to the night. Paradise Beach, your heart's so flight. Sand between our toes, waves crashing around. Chilling under palm trees where happiness is found. Food on the grill, taste that island delight. This is life at its best, spark it up, ignite. We living for today, ain't worried about the past. In paradise now, let the moment.
Thank you for watching Keller's Real Travels. Help him out by hitting the like button and also subscribing to the channel.